How to check if an iPhone camera is original. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. To check if your iPhone camera is original, you need to go to the settings and then tap on general. There you'll find about, tap on it, and then here you'll see parts and services. Tap on it. So if your camera was not original, then it would appear here. So sometimes if iPhone replaced the camera itself, then it will show as camera replaced with genuine parts. However, if your camera was replaced with not a genuine Apple part, then it will show unknown part. So from there you can see if your camera is original or not. However, if nothing appears here, then that means your camera is original. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.